Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for John in Jersey on a Stryker 447 hpc2. John, got it ready to go for you, bud? Let's get right to it. We'll start with RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug, 2 watts. Roll it all the way up. 10 watts. Show you average power swing. Hello, 40 bird, 100 watt slug and peak. Hello, at 98 watts. John, I really love these little rigs. I mean, they're the size of basically a Cobra 25. Very potent, great receivers. Key it up and watch your SWR. Great for a big truck. Just all around, I got nothing bad to say about them. John, I hope you enjoy it. Appreciate it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.